What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Sarah. I'm back with another prank. Troy thinks I'm about to be late picking him up from work, so I'm about to just be sitting here when he come out, and I know he probably gonna be like already have an attitude because he think I'm just now leaving. So I'm just about to prank him real quick.
No, for real, don't play like that.
Just so I can see his reaction. Make sure y'all do like, comment, share, and subscribe. We do appreciate it. And go ahead and let us know what y'all think. But I just had to do something. I think it's Vlogmas day 9. So y'all stay tuned. I'm so early. I'm still sitting out here waiting for him. He gonna be like, I thought you was late. Like, nope. It was a prank.
Bye, Felicia.
You know I had to get you. I can't go without getting you. So, you can't even be mad. I know you was mad and probably on that phone texting galore with an attitude because you thought I was going to be late. But I ain't going to be late. I know you ready to go. And also, I do want to give a shout out to Cooking with Mel and Q. So if y'all not already following them, make sure y'all go over to their channel, show them some love, share them out, like, comment, and all of that for them. We do appreciate the support from everybody, but they did want us to give them a shout out, so want to shout them out. And I'm going to just sit here and wait because he still ain't out yet.
2 hours later.
Well, I'm still out here, so it's kind of like a prank / vlog because he's not out yet, so I'm still sitting out here waiting. So how was everybody's day? I hope it was good. And what did everybody do today? So comment down below, let me know what you did today, what everybody cooked for dinner. And also with this, was everybody participating in the Vlogmas? I know we're on like day 9, but I know we got you know, to go to the 25th, so we're just doing it here and there a couple of days or whatever because we already did the Vlogtober. So that was a lot of work. So, you know, just want to take a little break and enjoy the whole December month because this is one of my favorite months. So I just want to enjoy it really. But, you know, when I had the time and stuff, I am going to hop on and do some videos and stuff like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, you know. But I know that food that I made yesterday was the bomb. I know y'all saw that. If you haven't seen it, make sure you do go check out the video. It is so cold right now. Like, this weather is something else. Like, it's freezing out. Like, I'm not trying to deal with this cold long. I need to figure out, you know, about moving out of this state because this cold ain't sticking with me too well. But he should be out here in a moment, and he gonna come out probably talking trash, you know. But I'm like, I got you. I was just doing a vlog, but / prank, because I can't go without pranking you. So I had to do it. So y'all stay tuned, because he'll be out here shortly. All right, so y'all, he about to come out in a minute here. So you gotta excuse my coat, it's all bubbled up. But he's about to come out in a minute here. Look, here he come. He gonna like, I thought you was gonna be late.
What up? Alright.
You thought I was late?
Huh?
You thought I was gonna be late?
Shit, I didn't know if you was gonna be late or not. Shut the light off. What the fuck are you doing? What?
It was a prank.
Oh no, I ain't in the mood for that.
I know you're tired.
Yeah, no.
Anyway, I'm about to get off this, so y'all make sure y'all comment down below, like, share, and subscribe. And y'all stay tuned. I got him. He thought I was gonna be late.
No.
He know he did. And I'm out.